Meaning of generically.
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 Generically. The term generically means to refer to something in a general, non-specific manner, without mentioning any particular individual or item by name. When used in conversation or writing, it usually implies a lack of specificity or detail, and can be used as a way of describing something in a broad, all-encompassing way. For example, one might say, generically speaking, most cars on the road today are powered by gasoline engines, meaning that this is a generalization that applies to the majority of cars, without specifying any particular make or model.